One Khadim asked how he could increase his faith and trust in Allah the Almighty.
So the first thing is that how long do you take in offering Fajr prayer? 5 minutes?
5 to 10 minutes, around that time.
4 rakas in 5 to 10 minutes. How can you understand?
Longer.
How can you understand Surah Fatiha in 5 to 10 minutes? You see, while offering your sunnah, if you are not offering your Fajr prayer or any of the prayer in congregation in the mosque, and on your own you should recite Surah Fatiha repeatedly when you are doing your own prayers. And say, Ihdina Siratal Mustaqim, Ihdina Siratal Mustaqim, Ihdina Siratal Mustaqim. So Allah Ta'ala will guide you on the right path. So repeatedly do it in your prayers. And in your sajdas, fervently pray to Allah Ta'ala that Allah Ta'ala give you the strength to be a good believer and firm in your faith. So it will take time. You see, what are you doing? Are you going to school or college, university?
I'm going to school, high school.
School, grade 12?
Yes.
Achha. So see, this is your final year in the secondary school. Until and unless you work hard, you know the in-depth knowledge of your subjects which are being taught to you, or your whatever is in your syllabus, or in your course, or in your books, you cannot qualify or succeed. How can you qualify your level of piety and righteousness without struggling hard and striving hard? So you're giving 6-7 hours to your studies after schools before the exams. But here, you give only 5 minutes or 10 minutes at the most. And even whatever you are reading in the Holy Quran, you don't know what are you reading. So if you don't know about your subject, how can you write the answer? When you see the question paper and you have read the book without knowing what is the meaning of that, you cannot understand the question. Right? To understand the question, you should know that what is the answer and where it was written in the book, in my syllabus, and what the teacher taught me about this subject. Then you will try to answer it. Here, you don't know anything about what Allah Ta'ala is saying, and you are asking that, how can I believe in Allah Ta'ala? You don't know what Allah Ta'ala is saying, how can you believe in Him? You have to find out. You read the Holy Quran with translation. Then you would know. Then it will strengthen your faith and your belief in Allah Ta'ala. Right? Okay. Right. Assalamu alaikum.